some ice. I have some frozen pineapple chunks. I'm the only one drinking this smoothie, so I have some strawberries as well. And guys, I love burning scents. Frozen mixed berries. There's a few peaches. This is the world's best apple juice, so I'm gonna add a little apple juice in here. We're getting ready for our meditation bath. We have our bath stand, so of course we have our smoothie, our speakers, some Epsom salts in here, a candle, a little soap dispenser, some flowers of course, and a lovely selection of Lush bath bombs. We have some candles lit around our tub, of course. We definitely have to set the mood. We're just running our bath. And here are our lovely products that we'll be using. Dr. Teals, our soaps. We're gonna do a face mask, of course, lavender oil. We have to manifest here, do a little writing, and a lovely eye mask that we had in the freezer, and some Fiji water. We have our meditation music playing on YouTube. It is the meditation sounds. So we just like soak and chill, and this is the time where I just really have my smoothie. By the way, it is amazing. You know, when you take a bath, the water is hot, it's so relaxing. So it is great to hydrate. I always keep some water with me. And I know the lighting may be a little off as well, but I like to take my baths in the dark and let the candlelight just kind of relax me and soothe me. Your bath time is your personal time, and you are really supposed to use it to, you know, enjoy yourself, just kind of relax while you know, relax here in your bath with your lavender oil and your Dr. Teals, your Epsom salt, and you have your smoothie, your wine, or whatever it is that you use to just kind of feel good and get in the zone. I want you guys to really sit and think about the things that you want this year. Make sure that your intentions are clear and try to focus on it. So if your intentions are to be wealthy and prosperous and abundant this year, I want you to think on wealth, prosperity, abundance. Really put it in your mind, and you know, as the music and the waves from the music flow in your bath and you relax, you know, I want you to really focus on that and just kind of like bring that into formation. Actually close your eyes and visualize it. I like to keep me a pillow in my bath as well, so when I lean back I have some type of cushion and comfort. And I know it's crazy that I have this on, but of course I'm filming with my friends. I can't be inappropriate on YouTube, and like I said, I like to keep me some flowers present just to look at like the beautiful things in life, and you know, just kind of relax and just get in the zone. So don't forget to set your intention. Do some journaling with the Progressor. Make sure you guys get your copy. I'm gonna write my goals and set my intentions while I take a bath, so that I can really, you know, manifest over my life. It has totally worked for me in the past. It's currently working for me, and I'm still setting my intentions. So make sure you do the same. Make sure you get your copy of the Progressor and manifest. Like, you have to get you a book and a journal that you trust in, that you believe in, that you feel gravitates and resonates to your personality. It has to really just jump out at you, and then there you could practice scripting, which is writing your intentions as if it already happened. So if you want a new home, you can say, you know, I'm so thankful for the universe and for, you know, everyone giving me everything that I want and I need. I'm so thankful for my new home. I love it. It's my dream home. It's perfect for me, you know. And make sure you put a date on that page. Again, we have our eye mask too. So, you know, like I said, when I started this video, my eyes were really poofy. So I have my eye mask on. Just leave these on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we have our rose base mask. Sit back, relax, hydrate, and set your intentions. Remember to be clear about what you want and what you're asking for. And, you know, visualize it. Actually visualizing yourself. Visualizing your account having multi-millions of dollars. Your dream home is beautiful. You just purchased it. You see yourself holding the soul sign, doing a walkthrough. Your dream car just pulled up with a big red bow is yours. You're debt free. You look at your accounts, it's nothing there. You have to really visualize. I see it, do you? If you like my channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna sit here and set my intentions for the rest of the night and finish my smoothie. I hope you guys do the same. Please share your bath time meditation with me. Don't forget to put your music on. It just does something, you know, to your bath, to your mind. It helps you relax, and it really truly stimulates you. So like, subscribe, and comment below. Become members of my channel. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you.